4 ways to make her miss you like crazy. Hi everyone, this is Jovia. Welcome to my YouTube channel. And on this channel we already talk about relationship, love and sex. And today's topic, I'll be sharing with you 4 ways to make her miss you like crazy. Let's get started. Number 1, create meaningful memories. Make the time you spend together so memorable by planning unique things like new activities together, traveling new places together. That will make the both of you have some good memories, special memories that will make her miss you whenever she remembers those moments you spent together. She'll be thinking of you and she'll always be missing you, missing those moments you spent together. Number 2, maintain communication. Though it's very important to stay in touch, stay connected through regular communication, it's also very important not to overwhelm your partner, your loved one, with constant messages and calls. And this way it will make her think, or it will make you seem needy or clingy. In that way of maintaining communication, also balance it by giving her space to do her own things. In that way she will be able to miss your presence, to miss the time you spend together. Number 3 is giving her space. One of the best way of making someone to miss you is giving her space to do her own things, to do her own activity, things she loves, spending time with her friends without you suffocating her with your constant calls, messages, checking on her, what are you doing, all such kind of things. Always also get yourself busy on yourself, also chill out with your friends, allow her to do her own things. In that way she'll be able to miss your presence. I think number 4, be unpredictable. Always try to be unique in your way doing. Surprise her, do some unique things that you do not always do, like surprising her with it can be a night date or a gift, anything new, differing from the usual things you always do. It can be taking her to new places she has never thought about, or anything new from the usual things you always do. Thank you everyone for watching this video to the end. For those who haven't subscribed to my channel, just make sure you subscribe not to miss out anything. Turn on the notification button not to miss out on any video I upload. Just like it, comment and share to your loved ones. Love you. See you in the next video. Bye bye.